Kartra is an all-in-one marketing platform designed to help businesses manage their online marketing, sales funnels, and automation. Here's how to use Kartra. Sign up and log in. Visit Kartra and create an account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the dashboard, where you can start setting up your business tools. Build sales funnels. In the funnel section, click on Create New Funnel. Kartra offers pre-designed templates for various types of funnels. Customize the funnel by adding pages, adjusting the layout, and connecting forms or product offers. Create pages. Use the Page Builder tool to design landing pages, thank you pages, and other web pages. You can drag and drop elements like text, images, buttons, and forms onto your pages to match your brand. Set up automations. In the automation section, create automated email sequences or actions triggered by user behavior, such as completing a form or making a purchase. Automate follow-ups, upsells, and customer interactions to boost conversions. Manage payments and memberships. Kartra integrates with payment processors to sell products and services directly from your funnels. Use the membership feature to create and manage online courses or subscription-based content. Track analytics. Use Kartra's built-in analytics tools to monitor funnel performance, email open rates, and conversion metrics.